water over there, Bobby?
Yeah. Just don't disturb them.
We're getting enough pressure out of this thing. Just a small vessel.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, why not?
Probably be more than
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, you know, so you really should step back here, okay? I hate when you get stung and have a problem, all right?
I'm not allergic, and I've been stung many times. I used to be a beekeeper.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
You want to take him?
No, I don't have. I live in an urban lifestyle, so I can't keep them any. I'd love to because they're beneficial for the environment.
Oh, absolutely, we hate destroying them.
Yeah, it's too bad.
Get off the car, Bobby, that's great.
It's not something you see every day. Well, maybe you guys do.
Sure.
You
This time of the year, this is an everyday occurrence.
Oh, okay, cool.
Well, yes and no.
Yeah. Wish there was somebody that could lift them and take them somewhere.
I know, it's horrible. Yeah, I'd say we probably destroy 3 or 4 swarms every week like this.
Oh man. Oh.
Yeah.
Whatever you do, don't swat. Oh well. We both backed up at the same time.
We're trying to keep the foam down so we don't get it on the car because we couldn't find the owner of the vehicle.
Is that like an exterminator thing?
Foam?
Just foam?
No.
Oh.
Where did you do your beehiving thing?
On Long Island. When I was a kid,
Is this your
guy.
car?
No, sir, it isn't.
Yes, I'm trying to locate the owner of it.